So, good morning students. This is the leftover part of the lesson, the chair. Okay, so that we will finish it. Mamanar himself had chosen a spot to sit whenever he visited our house. Chop off his head and he would still sit there and nowhere else. So, Mamanar used to come and visit the author's house. Okay, professor that the author. Rangarajan's house, sorry, not Rangarajan, Rajanarayan, okay, his house. He'll come and he will choose a spot, okay, and he will always sit there. Look, next line, chop off his head. Even chop off means what? Even if you cut off his head, he will not change this place, okay. He always chose the same place, okay. Chop off his head, he would still sit there and nowhere. He would lean against the wall. Okay, he would lean against the wall, against the pillar, adjoining the wall to the south of the storeroom. The first thing he would do as soon as he sat down was to loosen his tuft. As soon as he sat down, okay, as soon as he sat down, as soon as the Mamanar sat down, what he would do, he will loose his tuft. Tuft means what? A bunch of hair. Okay, you can imagine in many films, old films and all, that men will be also having that long hair. Kudumi, in Tamil we say kudumi. Okay, he will remove that hair and he will loosen his tuft, give it a good shake, scratch his head and tie it back. Then once again tie it back tightly. This kind of picture I think you might have seen in old films and all, okay, where the gents will be having a long hair, okay, and they will like that. He observed this ritual unfailingly. He observed this ritual. Ritual means what? Godly duties. Okay, whenever they come to a house, they will take out like that and do something. That is what godly. He observed this ritual unfailingly, without fail. Without fail, he will do this. Come and find a spot, remove his tuft, and he will once again scratch his head, and once again he will tie it. Okay, he will tie it back tightly. Okay, then he would inspect the floor. He will inspect the floor. He will see whether the floor something. He will see whether it is neat or something. But see the comment what one of the member didn't see any money falling from your head. Didn't see any money falling from your head. Anna would say with an impudent smile. So the author's brother, he would say that no money, no, there is no money from your head. Don't see your floor like that. Don't see the floor. There is no money. Okay, so like that, it seems that they are telling indirectly that the Mamanar is very stingy person. Okay, that while he loses his hair, thinking that as 1 or 2 paisa will fall down. Okay, they are just commenting, okay, teasing him, making fun, okay, making fun about the uncle. Okay, he would always be pierced with such paper arrows whenever he visited us. So the children used to play with the paper arrows that you all do, children do in classes using paper arrows. They used to send paper arrows against the Mamanar and making fun of him. Okay, he would sit mum with a smile. Okay, so Mamanar will not get angry. He would sit mum. Mum means what? Keeping quiet. Okay, not saying anything, not getting angry. Look what he will say. What he will say, you are my relatives. If you don't tease me, who will? Okay, you are my relatives. Okay, like that, நீங்கலாம் என் சொந்தக்காரங்க. நீங்கலாம் வந்து என்கிட்ட விளையாடலனா வேற யார் விளையாடுவா? That is what. You are my relatives. Okay, if you don't tease me, who will? When our ridicule overstepped the limits. Okay, when the children in the family, okay, when they ridicule, when they tease more, when it's crossed the limit, okay, what the last Amma would pretend to chide us. Amma will pretend to chide. Chide means what? Scold. Okay, chide means scold. Ridicule means what? Make fun of. We say ridiculous, no, ridiculous, like that. Chide means scold. Chide means scold. Amma would pretend to chide. Pretend means what? Acting like as if she would, acting like as if she is really scolding. That is what chide. Okay, the last word always ended in you donkeys. Okay, the mother will scold the children, you donkeys, that likewise. As soon as Mamanar sat down, Amma went towards the kitchen. As soon as Mamanar, the uncle, sat down, she would go inside and make a buttermilk which is full of nice aroma. Aroma means what? Taste, smell. Okay, mixed with asafoetida. Asafoetida means what? Asafoetida means in Tamil we say perungayam. Like that. It's a kind of mixture, okay, and give it to the uncle. That is what we are going to see in the stanza. As soon as Mamanar sat down, Amma went towards the kitchen like a lamb, aatukutti, like a lamb, like a lamb, the husband, okay. Appa followed her, okay. Appa followed her. In a while, Amma appeared in the passage with a silver tumbler of buttermilk, okay. Seasoned means mixed. Okay, with asafoetida in her hand, followed by Appa. Okay, the mother will bring buttermilk. Behind the mother, the father will come. Father will make fun of the mother. Okay, so he will look father followed by Appa, who unseen by her. The mother will not notice that the father, okay, is making some comment or showing some fingers. Aped her movements for her benefit, as if to say her brother has come. Okay, so this this scene is that you might have. I hope you understand. The father is also making fun that her brother has come. That is why she is making buttermilk with nice aroma. Okay, mixed with asafoetida. Okay, like this, like that. Aped her movements for our benefit, as if to say her brother has come. It seems. Look at her taking buttermilk for him with so much care. The aroma of the buttermilk and the asafoetida made us want to drink it right away. The smell of the buttermilk made the children also mouth watered, that they would also like to take the buttermilk right away. That is what we see. We believe that Mamanar visited us mainly to drink buttermilk. The buttermilk from our cow was that divine. So the children thought that this Mamanar is always visiting our house only for the sake of drinking buttermilk. Okay, so and the next line we understand that the cow, they say that the cow which gives buttermilk, okay, was so divine. Divine means what? Holy. Divine means what? Almighty God, holy. Divine means holy, punidam, like that. Almighty God. Okay, they were thinking that the cow was that divine. Besides, additionally, we thought that our uncle was the stingiest person in the village. Okay, the family members, they thought that the uncle is the stingiest. Stingiest means what? Thrifty, economical, okay, sikkanam, kanjam, okay, like that. Okay, thriftiest, stingiest person in the village. We firmly believed he never gave away anything to anyone. So they believed that he has never given anything, he has never donated anything to anyone. He was looking very, very stingiest person, and the children had a dislike towards him. He himself had gone to Kanavaram to buy this famed black-tongued milch cow for his sister. So the Mamanar himself had gone to the village Kanavaram and bought a milch cow. Milch cow means what? In Tamil we say karavamadu. Okay, milch cow, which gives milk. The young brother and sister, daughter on its, the young brother, the author's young brother and the sister, they daughter on its calf. Calf means what? That smaller one. Okay, they daughter means what? They showed excessive love, okay, towards the cow and its calf. Okay, young one. Whenever he came over and just before he left, he always went around the cow. Whenever the Mamanar cow, he will go around the cow, have a look, okay, and see what these children are thinking. Gave it a pat, okay, like that. He was afraid his own evil eye would fall on it. Kannu vachiruvanga, own evil eye, kannu vachiruvanga, they will say no, like that. Okay, and uttered words of praise. He was saying, nice cow, words of praise, even if he was thrifty with them. Okay, my little siblings. Sibling means what? The one those who are born along with us, my siblings, the author's siblings, big brother, younger brother, and sister, totally 4 of them. Okay. My little siblings always had this big fear that once the milk dried up, the cow would be taken away to the house along with the calf. So the children, the people in the children in the family, they were always having a fear that Mamanar will take away this cow. Once the milk dried up, once the cow doesn't give milk, he will take away the milch cow and the calf also along with them. Okay, because he had only bought it. Okay, so they are always in fear. The anticipation of this imagined separation only increased their fondness for the calf and their bitterness towards Mamnar. This anticipation means what? Anticipation means expectation. Okay, expectation of one belief that the Mamnar will take away the cow and the calf. So automatically a bitterness means what? A kasapu tanmai. Okay, that is what bitterness, enmity. Okay, a kind of disliking towards the Mamnar. Whenever he released the buttermilk, whenever the Mamnar whenever he drank the buttermilk, released means what? Drinking with satisfaction, drinking with happiness. Okay, enjoying the taste. That is what release, R-E-L-I-S-H. Whenever he released the buttermilk, these small children punched and pinched with their very stairs. These small children, they punched and pinched with their very stairs. Stairs means what? Moraikirudhu. Okay, whenever he used to drink the milk, when buttermilk very happily, these children will stare at him. Morachu paakurudhu. Okay, they don't like this person coming and drinking buttermilk and going and looking around the cow and the calf. Okay, so likewise, Mamnar showed interest in the debate about the chair. So at the end, the family had an idea of taking chairs. So Mamnar also involved in the debate. Debate means what? That pattimandram or argument. Okay, and he let it be known that he too would like one to be made for him. So he also wanted one chair to be made for himself. We too were glad to have a partner in this enterprise. Enterprise means business. Enterprise means business. The family members also were happy that another partner is also going to buy one chair. Mamnar said that the neem tree was the best. It would keep the body cool. So Mamnar is giving a suggestion that making the chair out of the neem tree will keep the body cool. It will be always cool. So it will be helpful. It will be healthful and also helpful for the family. So that's the end of the lesson, the chair. Okay, I hope I have completed this lesson. Please look after this lesson, read it. Okay, read it once or twice, and please note the meanings. Okay, note the meanings which is not even given in your book bag. So I want you to know the meanings which is given on the video and study it. Thank you.